the LG C2 OLED. This television model offers a perfect balance of features, design, and image quality. The LG OLED C2 builds upon its popular predecessor, the C1. It comes with 4 full HDMI 2.1 ports and specs that gamers will love: VRR, 4K at 120Hz, G-Sync, and FreeSync Premium. Additionally, this model boasts subtle improvements in various aspects of image quality due to an advanced EVO panel with higher burn resistance, lower ABL, average brightness level, slightly increased brightness, and lower power consumption thanks to its layers made with deuterium. This version of the LG C2 has a 65-inch screen, but also comes in 6 different resolutions. It has an elegant monolithic design and heavy base which maximizes stability while taking up minimal desk space. What's more, it has slim bezels, measuring only 0.7 centimeters instead of 1.1 centimeters on other models, as well as a body primarily crafted from recycled material, making it 40% slimmer than before. Plus, navigating the interface is smooth, with practically no lag time for launching or closing apps on the TV. Speaking of image quality, wow! The level of detail this television can achieve is incredible, even better than its predecessor, thanks to the powerful processing algorithms that allow for sharper foreground objects set against detailed backgrounds. It also maintains maximum brightness delivery capacity at 900 nits according to LG, significantly higher than the 750 nits promised by C1. Finally, sports fans will be thrilled about the improved gaming mode options like advanced image settings, which lets them get some extra oomph out of their experience on this amazing 4K TV. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.